I'm AI72. GPT-5 may be released soon. Why? Because OpenAI CEO Sam Altman released a picture of a strawberry in his own garden last night, and fans found that there are 5 strawberries in this picture. You may think it's boring, but strawberries are very meaningful to OpenAI. On July 15th, Reuters reported that OpenAI is developing a new model called Strawberry. This new model will mainly make breakthroughs in the ability to infer. Its performance will be greatly improved in mathematics. In addition, Sam Altman also replied a very mysterious tweet. The name of this tweet is Strawberry. This tweet said, "Welcome to the second episode. How do you feel? Did I make you feel it?" Sam Altman replied, "This is really great. What does this mean?" Previously, OpenAI was also exposed a root map of their internal network Augie, which is a root map of universal artificial intelligence. What? This roadmap divided the levels of artificial intelligence into 5 levels. The first is a chat robot. It is the AI with the most conversation ability. This is the chat robot we are using now, which is similar to chat. The second level is an inverter, which is an AI that can solve problems like a human being. The third level is an intelligent body. It can not only think, but also take action. The fourth level is an innovator. It can help invent and create. The fifth level is an organizer. It can complete organizational work. So this tweet says, "Welcome to the second episode." Then Altman also replied in person. It seems to imply that the strawberry model they are about to release can reach the second level, which is an inverter. What is an inverter? In fact, Sam has always emphasized that they value the inference ability of the model, and many times hinted that their next model will make a great breakthrough in inference ability. At present, this large-scale model based on deep learning actually produces a certain inference ability, but this inference ability is still relatively weak, and there are still many problems. AI will make some serious mistakes in some very basic mathematical problems. For example, which the very popular 8.11 and 8.9 is bigger? If you ask these AI models now, they will answer that 8.11 is bigger than 8.9. This is obviously a mistake, including now. Everyone is very conscious of the illusion problem that other large-scale applications easily have. If this is really the case, strawberries will perform very well in mathematics, and there will be a great improvement in the illusion problem. But this OpenAI has put us in trouble several times. Right, including the previous Sora, as well as the previously released GPT-4o voice. When the Sora was released, it was also said that it would be released after the Red Team test. But now it's August. We haven't seen Sora's shadow yet. Then this GPT-4o voice was also said to be released soon. But this will soon be available to those who can use it until now. So I personally don't believe in OpenAI anymore. I think what he is doing now is probably still hype. But let's give him one last chance. Let's see what kind of surprise this time will bring us. If you don't want to fall behind in the AI era, remember to follow me. I'm AI72. See you next time. Bye-bye.